Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best attic fan thermostats in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Ventamatic XXFirestat 10 Amp Adjustable Programmable Thermostat. Ventamatic is quite a popular brand of high-performance ventilation fans and related accessories like its attic fan thermostats, which can be a great versatile and high-performance pick for many. The Ventamatic XXFirestat attic fan thermostat comes at the first position of this list since it is one of the most versatile options present here. This is primarily possible thanks to its given temperature range of 50 degrees to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which is slightly higher than most others. Number 2. Our second best pick is Air Vent 58033 Single-Speed Adjustable Thermostat. You can also consider Air Vent and its attic fan thermostats if you are looking for something versatile when it comes to adjusting your thermostats according to the temperature that you are looking for. Air Vent's 58033 attic fan thermostat comes at the second position of this listicle, as this is a highly versatile option in terms of the temperature that you can choose for your attic fan. To be exact, it features a temperature range of 50 degrees to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which is slightly better than most other thermostats. Number 3. Our third best pick is QuietCool Store Attic Gable Fan with Thermostat. QuietCool is a US-based company which provides a wide range of products related to fans and their accessories. Among their product range, an attic fan thermostat model has made to our list because of its efficiency and performance. It has the capability of 1945 CFM on high at 108 watts, which is adequate for most of the requirements. Compared to a traditional attic fan, it can complete the task by consuming half the amount of power. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Ventamatic XXDuostat Adjustable Dual Thermostat. Ventamatic also happens to be offering much more reliable options when it comes to attic fan thermostats, which not only offer great performance numbers but also happen to be great for long-term usage. This Ventamatic XXDuostat attic fan thermostat is the most durable and reliable option given here, which makes it perfect for long-term usage. Other than being highly reliable, it also offers great performance numbers with a given temperature range of 60 degrees to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. In fact, it even comes with an inbuilt Humidistat which goes from 30% to 90% to set it as you prefer. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Iliving ILG001TH Humidity and Thermostat. Iliving is a highly popular brand of home appliances and their related accessories like its attic fan thermostat given here, which is quite unique and highly versatile for most users. The Iliving ILG001TH attic fan thermostat is one of the only options out there which not only allows you to set a temperature for your attic ventilation fan, but you can even set a humidity setting thanks to an inbuilt Humidistat. While the thermostat offers a range of 60 degrees to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, the Humidistat offers a range of 30% to 90%. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.